What are you doing? Marmalade? Did you want more food? Then you have to show me. Hold on, let me put this in the garbage. Did you want more food? Okay. Let's open this up. Oh, and check it out. I got an easier one to open. All your stuff, look, your party mix. Did you want your party mix too? No, you know what? We just better do this one. Okay, let's see. I'll put it here so I can see. This one is much easier. This one's much easier to open. See? Okay, let's see. Got my Band-Aid on my hand. I hurt myself at work today. Okay. See? Much easier. See that, Marmalade? Okay. Let's go eat. Come on. Good boy.